What did you say?
It looks funny with the seat on it, but it's kind of comfortable.
If it was maybe just like, I don't know, a few more inches lower, I think it would be like perfect. Maybe. Well, I don't know.
I kind of like it, I guess, because I feel like I'm in a kind of a...
It makes it a lot more stable.
Yeah.
A lot more stable.
I just don't like how it flexes backwards and I feel like I'm going to go off the back.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's just the normal, try to follow the fucking traffic.
Okay.
And, if, which we will get traffic behind us, just hug the fucking white line and let it go around us.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to give anybody a fucking reason to call the cops.
Nope. Some people like to give reasons.
Some people do.
I don't really like to.
No, I figure if I can stay away from them, I'm good.
GP460 6-port Jetpro, GP470 6-port. Cheap ass fucking dominator, but it's actually a lot better than stock. Fucking flies. Get the honor of first start, I guess. Ha! I won't start that. There you go. Uh-oh. Holy fuck. I am very lucky that that did not lock up.
Holy fuck.
Oh, the front sprocket's gone. Oh fuck, dude. Oh. Well, where the fuck did that front sprocket go? I don't know. I do not fucking know. That shit went flying. I gotta go against fucking traffic. Ah. fucking Chinesium. Oh, that thing is gone forever. That just ruined the whole
That
ride.
camera had sentimental value.
Oh.
Oh well. What do we care, right? We got the shot.
That thing is so fucking gone. So fucking gone.
So, here's what happened. Oh fucking, it just sheared the fuck off and went into fucking Paisinski land for forever. And they sell, I think they sell some on like the jungle site for like $7 fucking per shitty sprocket, if I can even get that one out. I think I tried to, like a long time ago, I tried to get that one out. I bought one of these clutch belts for like a pocket bike or whatever, and I couldn't even get it out, so I'll try to get it out. Yeah, I guess I'll just order a few more of those and keep burning through those. But that Dominator wakes this thing the fuck up. And also the bigger 64 tooth sprocket. I had the fucking, that's like a 54 or 50 something or whatever. And this bigger rear sprocket does help a lot with acceleration. And a little sneaky fucking peek what I'm gonna try to fucking do next. Yeah. Yeah, baby. So we'll fucking see. Probably not in that frame. We'll fucking see.